Hello everyone, and welcome to Forward for Health. Eating healthy can be overwhelming at first, but you don't have to worry. You've arrived at the right place. Today, we are going to share some tips that will help you eat healthier. 1. Start by assessing your current diet. Take some time to think about what you typically eat in a day or week. Be honest with yourself about what you actually consume, not only for meals, but for snacks as well. This will help you identify areas where you can make healthier choices. 2. Plan out your meals in advance. Meal planning can help you save time and money and makes it easier to choose healthy foods. Plan a menu during your time off, then shop for what you need for the entire week. 3. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are packed with nutrients and are low in calories, making them a great choice for eating healthy. Aim to incorporate more of these foods into your diet. 4. Consider plant-based meals. Plant-based meals are an excellent way to get essential nutrients and fiber. Try some delicious and filling plant-based meals such as salads, grains, and veggie bowls. 5. Switch to healthy fats. Healthy fats are found in olive oil, coconut oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. Eating healthy fats can help you feel full and energized. 6. Focus on whole grains. Whole grains are high in fiber and other important nutrients. Choose whole grain breads and pastas, or try quinoa or wild rice. 7. Limit processed foods. Processed foods are often high in sodium, sugar, monosodium glutamate, and unhealthy fats. Try to limit your intake of processed and convenience foods as much as possible. 8. Incorporate healthy protein sources. Healthy proteins such as fish, chicken, grass-fed beef, and beans are great sources of energy and essential nutrients. 9. Pre-pack snacks. Take the time to pre-pack healthy snacks. Their convenience can prevent you from eating unhealthy snacks on the go. 10. Stay hydrated. Water is absolutely essential for overall health. There you have it. Following these tips will help you create a healthier diet. Remember to stay patient and stay consistent. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Forward for Health.